Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you patchwork crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Viewers, patchwork crafts ideas. Is a beautiful spinning technique where small pieces of fabric join together to make a new designs. People often use leftover cloth to create colorful patterns. Patchwork is very popular for home decor and a handmade gift. Patchwork cushions cover. Small fabric squares can be stitched together to make a lovely cushions cover different color and pattern. Make the cushions look bright and unique. Patchwork table runner. A patchwork table runner is perfect for dining tables. You can combine floor plan and printed fabric to create a stylish runner for your table and viewers. A patchwork quilt is one of the most traditional patchwork projects. Many small fabric blocks are stitched together to make a warm and cozy blanket. Patchwork bag. Old cloths like jeans or cotton shirts can be used to make a beautiful bag. This craft is friendly and very useful for daily shopping. And friends, and viewers, patchwork wall hanging. Patchwork fabric